If you need to cancel a pending transaction on WhatsApp, follow these simple steps to ensure it is done correctly. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with the transaction you wish to cancel. Step 2. Go to the Chats tab. Navigate to the Chats tab where you can see your recent conversations. Find the chat where the transaction was initiated. Step 3. Locate the transaction. Scroll through the chat to find the specific message or notification related to the pending transaction. This will typically show the amount and the status of the transaction. Step 4. Tap on the transaction. Once you find the transaction, tap on it to view more details. This should provide you with options related to the transaction, including the ability to cancel it. Step 5. Select Cancel Transaction. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the .com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After following these steps, your pending transaction should be successfully cancelled. Always double-check your transaction history to confirm the cancellation.